chasing a cocaine dealer in a Mustang, a stolen Dodge Ram, and a drunk Saturn driver. Enjoy watching. While patrolling southbound on Martin Luther King Jr. Drive in Phillips County, I observed a black Ford Mustang traveling eastbound on Park Street with an equipment violation. I made a left turn onto Park Street and initiated a traffic stop by activating my emergency lights. As I began notifying dispatch of the stop, the vehicle accelerated and fled eastbound on Park Street at a high rate of speed.
Forest City, 1037.
We are on Park Street. Eastbound on Park Street.
We're eastbound on March Street right now.
That's 7.
That's 7.
Back on to the bypass.
Gotcha.
Making a right-hand turn, step up the street.
Keep that. Push him.
Going back northbound.
Dim the TV, you regain.
On Bernie, go. Go. I got it. Secondary. D5, he almost T-boned me.
Your brakes. Right there. Book male, black male, white shirt, blue shorts.
The pursuit concluded when the suspect drove off the roadway into a vacant lot near the intersection of West Baldwin Avenue and North Baringo Street. Upon stopping, the driver, later identified as Mandrell Parnell, exited the vehicle and fled on foot across West Baldwin Avenue. After a brief foot pursuit, Parnell was apprehended and taken into custody. As Parnell exited the vehicle, I observed him throw a red backpack to the ground. The backpack was recovered following his arrest and was found to contain a large quantity of suspected marijuana. A search of Parnell's person revealed a clear plastic bag containing a white crystal-like substance, suspected to be cocaine, in his right front pocket. On May 16th at approximately 12 a.m., Sherwood Police Department requested assistance with a vehicle pursuit on JFK Boulevard near I-40. The vehicle was traveling east on I-40 approaching I-57. I observed the vehicle slowing down and was traveling in the lanes that continue eastbound on I-40.
113, looks like state police is going to be out with us as well. We're still eastbound on 40. Have light traffic. We're slowing down. Speeds are coming to 50. The Dodge truck has crossed over to 1.
I'm coming up front.
Right now, we're right here in the main on I-57. Yeah. 113, we're stopped right here.
The driver attempted to avoid being immobilized by accelerating and turning the wheel the opposite direction of rotation. The vehicle was rotating counterclockwise while I was attempting to stop him. The vehicle's tires caught traction, and the driver had opposite steering input put on, so it drove off the right shoulder. The truck drove through the ditch and impacted a chain-link fence. The driver exited the vehicle and gave up. The female passenger exited and gave up as well. On May 14, 2025, I was traveling eastbound on Highway 38 near North Lincoln Street. I observed a silver Saturn passenger car traveling eastbound in front of me. I noticed the driver's side brake light was not operational. I was traveling behind the vehicle waiting for a suitable location to conduct a traffic stop. The vehicle suddenly braked and swerved into the oncoming traffic lane.
38 Tracy. Adam William Ida 02 Sam. AWI 02S 10 Saturn.
Missouri tag 2 Frank Charles Edward 84 2 FT. Yeah. We're on trip manager with 1063.
Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up! Get out of the car. Crawl out of that window right now. Crawl out of the window.
I'd rather go out the passenger side.
Crawl out of that window. I don't care where you want to go. Crawl out of that window. Lay down right here.
I gave Harpole verbal commands to put his hands up and crawl out of the window. Harpole eventually complied and was placed into handcuffs without further incident. Harpole advised he was just trying to get to his house on Charles Drive. I searched Harpole's vehicle and persons and did not locate anything of importance. While speaking with Harpole, I noticed his speech appeared slurred, his eyes were bloodshot and watery, and there was an odor of intoxicants coming from his persons. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.